Welcome to the foyer.
Wow.
Wow. Holy moly. The drama's there.
Yeah.
Look at this light. Look at these Veluxes. Look at that architecture.
And there was even more impact once the judges arrived at the stairwell.
You're looking up that way. I'm looking here, how it just explodes out here.
Okay, but come and stand here and look this way.
Oh, wow.
Oh, yay!
There you go,
Look
Shane
at
Blaze.
that.
Oh! Oh, it keeps going around the corner.
This is a really great space for your house, very functional and adds significant value to your home.
True lovers in a different time, a different place. We could have been two lovers in a different life, a different space.
Walking through your front door today, the judges could see the hallway had some beautiful detailing.
I love the skirting.
The archway door is stunning, beautifully designed, executed, and frankly, too beautiful to have a distraction from.
It works very well, and it's a strong point of difference.
It's divine.
The judges then open the door to the powder room.
Oh, beautiful little powder room.
Oh, it's so sweet.
And I'd walk a million miles.
Through the archway, and it's like yet another dramatic entrance in your home. A real sense of theatre is how Neil described it.
It works very, very well. You get a very strong sense of transitioning into a new part of the house.
There ain't no ocean deeper than my love for you, and there ain't no fire that I wouldn't run right through. There ain't no mountain, baby, that I wouldn't move.
Oh, my God. Oh, my God, there's a dog in there.
And got the surprise of their life when they found a real live beagle guarding your laundry.
All of my life, like a river running wild. Every brother, mother, child. Now we found each other. Don't let me down. All my love, like a river.
Well, they've definitely gone with the period detail, haven't they? With the beautiful architrave, that gorgeous ceiling rose.
And a beautiful long runner.
Which leads your eye all the way down.
Neil was wondering if you were perplexed on how to fill the spaces this week.
You know, there's a fine line, isn't there, between minimalism and just being bland.
Standing here, you see this part and that part, completely two different houses.
Oh, now, this is more like it.
Hey, lover, will you blow my cover? 'Cause I'm not myself. I'm not myself. I wake up in the middle of the night and all I like a stranger in the bathroom light.
This is a room that delivers, for him, the simple elegance that Darren had been admiring throughout.
Nowhere to run to, baby. Nowhere to hide. Got nowhere to run to, baby. Got nowhere to hide.
Walking in through your stunning new front door with the LED lights today and looking down your hallway, Darren Palmer said,
This is everything that I loved next door.
but with even more finesse.
A lot more finesse.
A
Yeah.
lot more finesse.
Shona reckons the whole feeling when you walk in says period home.
Because the beautiful floors, how gorgeous are they? I love a chevron.
This one thing that's got me tripping. You did this one thing and I was so with it. This one thing you did.
It's a pretty hot powder room, I must say. I love the wallpaper.
wallpaper.
I love this. Oh, Darren Palmer.
Hey! 10 out of 10.
Darren Palmer has his own safe.
He's got his own side.
Classic Darren.
Ooh, wee.
Classic simplicity in bucket loads.
Yours was Shona's favourite staircase so far today. What an entrance.
That's an original.
Yeah, that's Murano.
That is absolutely beautiful.
It is stunning.
Paired with the Velux, great.
You've got that gorgeous light against this ribbed wall. I just think it's a really lovely layered palette.
There is so much to love in here, and you walk through the door, and it's a visual feast.
Okay. Mama said that it was quite alright. Our kind of people had a bed for the night, and it was okay.
What a masterstroke to panel that wall and hide that door, thought Darren.
If they didn't put this paneling in here and they had a door to a laundry straight opposite their front door, bow.
Yeah, absolutely.
This,
Perfect. Genius.
masterstroke.
Oh, sweet.
I can't believe I did you wrong.
Very, very simple,
Yes.
but nicely executed.
What is not to love?
Not overcooked, but just right. Darren also pointed out that this was the first time all day.
The staircase matches the floor downstairs and the floor upstairs perfectly. We have not seen this done this well today yet.
Yes.
The winner of week 9 on the block 2020 and taking home $10,000 from our mates at Ford is by half a point. It's Jimmy and
Can't stop
Tam.
me now.